Today we'll be doing an experiment to see whether impure and pure substances have the same boiling point. So now the research question is, if we're going to add salt to pure water and boil them separately, so we have salt water and pure water, if we boil them, will the boiling time be the same? So right now I've got pure water. I'm going to put it in a pan. And now I've got salt water. We've let it cool off, so it is in a pure solution. Pour it in. Both are in equal volumes. I'm going to switch the heat on. The heat has just turned on. And now we just have a look at them. Not much change, couple of bubbles here and there.
And then
Too much. So we're gonna start the timer. So now it's been like about 2 minutes and 12 seconds. I'm going to have a look at the pans. It's going to be a bit hot. So now, the pure water. Whoa! It's really gone into a boil. There's bubbles all over the surface. It's boiling at a really rapid pace. You can see that almost all the pan is immersed in a vigorous boil. Probably a good sign that it's reached boiling point. Having a look at the salt water, only pockets of bubbles here and there, not as violent as the pure water. Gonna leave it for a while more, see what's gonna happen. So now it's been about 4 minutes and 15 seconds, sorry. And now we're going to check how they're doing. Oh my god, this is going to be hot. I'm going to have a look at the pure water now. Really boiling at a really fast pace. If you can look, bubbles are really just coming in all around. It's probably reached its boiling point. And there's a lot of vigorous bubbling. We have here salt solution. Bubbling still much slower than the water. There are bubbles, but it's still much slower than the water. Reminder, it's been about 15 minutes, it's been about 4 minutes and about 30 seconds around now. We'll leave it for another minute or so to see what happens. So it's now about 5 minutes and 18 seconds. Then have a look. Oh boy, stand aside the water. Now we have the pure water boiling at an incredibly fast rate. If you look from 4 minutes, even more bubbles have come. And you see a little formation down there. And it's boiling really vigorously. Even there as well. Now look at the salt water now. Mind you, they are around the same heat. And you see it's boiling much slower. I'm starting to think our hypotenuse is pretty much correct. Leave it for another minute. I think like what, 6 minutes now already? Almost 6 minutes. Okay. It's been about 6 minutes now, everybody. And we're gonna have a look at the plain pure water. It's really bubbling a lot now. It's really past, it is at its boiling point. And as you can see, most of it is becoming steam. As you can see here, I'm not sure if the camera's good enough to capture that. You see there's a lot of condensation on the lid of the cover because we've been letting it condense. The steam has been condensing on it. And there's loads of bubbles. We're gonna have a look at the sea. Not the sea, well, the salt water. Still, not even as vigorous as the boiling of the pure water. So this really proves our point. Our hypotenuse is correct, and fresh water did boil faster than salt water. Thank you very much.